If you're on there, mate.
Well, if you stream yourself, it'll show it from your point of view, which is even better. What? Who's that that's just been killed? Ah, wounded.
Me.
Matt.
There's people up
What just
ready.
killed him off there? Like gas or did he get shot?
I killed him.
I got shot from
It's in
behind.
a bit, lad.
Teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving
I
earns
just
for
took his
redeployment.
fucking head off. I've just took his fucking leg clean off, boys. I swear down. That is a
Where
sick
from?
gun, this. Mate, I was up here and he's like all the way down there.
Stand
Look
by.
at him.
There, going in.
Matt Bicken his magic one hand. Right, let's go and get a UAV. Oh, we ain't
Shut
gonna
up,
have to get a UAV, have we?
Yeah, we've got
Nah.
enough. Go and get another.
I'm gonna get an airstrike as well.
Hey, should we? Why don't we get our ghost load out now while we're here? Because we're not going to get until 5th. Kev, I'll
Nah,
do
it's
you 4
right,
grand.
innit? UAV already bought. Tough
Hey,
shit.
Kev.
Wounded.
There you go, Kev. Get the load out.
Fair
Hey, and then
enough.
the other 500. There you go, mate. Don't drop it yet, though.
Don't drop it
Steve,
yet.
How daft do you think I am? How daft do you think I am?
We're just chucking right ahead of us now. We'll catch up to it.
Right
got
ahead
people
of
that see it
us.
as we
Nah, I
run.
wouldn't even bother, mate. That is risky, let
No,
me
I'm
tell
not
you.
gonna. I will stop.
Right, is that someone's green laser or is that actually like...
It's Stu's.
Yeah, in mine.
Change that to attack laser.
Fuck that, I like this one.
Mate,
We're
I've
getting
just really
shot
been
at.
yeah, silenced.
Request recon flyover.
There you go,
Yeah.
right, shut down behind this shed. Right behind
I'm
this
off
shed.
this
No,
now.
there's someone coming here. There's someone coming. No, behind. Yeah.
Yeah, it's one there.
Found him!
Drop inbound.
Down do, where from?
Up there.
I'm off this
Pushing,
way.
I'm pushing with you boys, but his mate did jump down. So his mate's coming.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Hey guys, he's gonna pass them down here.
Gas is inbound.
That
Marking new
was
safe zone.
naughty.
Guys, here we are.
Mate. Oh, don't even get me started on with this now, lad.
What a shot.
Nice one, lad. I'll
fucker.
finish that 352 metres. Piss, mate. Oi, boys, he just jumped off that building. As soon as he jumped off that building, headshot, lad, gone. Dead. Mate. Wounded! I'd be fuming, me, like, I'd have some sort of hate towards me right now, you know what I mean?
Hey, why don't we get this car and fuck off
No,
in the middle of the
keep
circle?
walking, lad, we're walking, we're alright, lads, we're alright. Trust me.
Like you read my mind, Stu.
You want me?
It's not
Yeah,
that
don't
people
bet my
be round, mate.
We can get perfectly on this fucking scab in this building here.
I know, but people see you coming. That's what I'm with Gandhi. I'm not like.
People say you're coming from anywhere you go, no matter when we're
I
running
don't-
through the
no.
fucking middle of the map.
Lad, we've just
Yeah,
got
but-
Ghost, are you fucking stupid? Do you know what I
Regardless,
mean?
Just because you got ghost, mate, doesn't mean you can run past someone without them seeing you.
Matt, where are you going?
Losing ground.
Sure, we should go back to fucking green.
Do you know what I mean?
I wish you'd go back to fucking green.
No,
Car
I
on,
mean
mate.
the green colour, because fucking. I always think he's on the green colour, then I look and say, what's Stu doing?
zone. Enemy helo.
Where?
Right, but as well.
Shut me in there, you.
All right, passenger.
Hey, he's a car coming,
Contact.
guys.
You can drive, lad.
Gandhi, watch out.
Where is it?
Blue shield. Bastard, a blue shielded them, like, if someone shoots them, they out. They're down. Stu, did you say you got ammunition stock? Have you used it?
Or do you use it, mate? Fucking hell, that was years ago, that came man.
Yeah, he used that. I've got ammo. I've got to say, I've got to back Stu up on that one.
I think it was on top of that. I think it was on top of that big building when we used it, wasn't it? No, it wasn't. It was when we got the loadout, the first loadout.
Is anyone not using sniper bullets or assault rifle? I've got 150. I've still got quite a bit left. Guys, do we know where we're running here before we just running in?
Yeah,
people?
here, into this build, one of these buildings here, near the fucking thingy.
I want to really take him down, me. I'm determined today with a sniper.
Well, I better say you're on your own.
I can hear snipers.
Right, so there's someone
fighting
there.
over southeast of us.
How close is this here? Right here, it?
No one on heart,
There's
mate, like,
someone
and there's boxes
coming in.
there.
He just landed in with you, lad. It looks like he just landed in with you guys.
Look at these guys, look at these here. Look at these sniper rifle.
Over here.
Wait a minute then. Oh, we're shooting far now. Got one.
How many's there,
The other one
boys?
fucked off. The other one, there was two of them, the other one
UAV
fucked
overhead.
off.
Assistant elimination played, Kev.
They're in front of us, guys. Just on the fucking rocks.
Gas
So
is
these-
inbound.
they're-
Let's
they're
get the
on
higher
down
ground,
below.
boys.
Right, so these were aiming at these here. So there's someone in this building.
Yeah, 50 metres, stay in this one, yeah?
Which
Yeah, yeah,
building?
this one.
Moving.
This
Which
one on
building,
blue.
boys? Right, I'm coming round now.
Yeah,
I'm
we
coming
are.
round. Oh, Stu, please don't blast us now. Oh, we're mates, mate.
Give our lad.
So,
Boys,
guys,
it's four of us, let's just go down.
No, Matt, what are you doing?
What? Oh my god, there's 6 of the cunts. There's
What?
6 of them on our beat. There's 6
Nah,
people
get
on
the
our
fuck
beat.
out of there, lad. Get out of there. What do you mean there's 6 people on me?
There actually is 6 people.
Give
There's
it
4 in that
legs,
one house
lad.
and 2. There's 2 in the house in front and 4 in that one.
right, so these...
6 people.
keep
I've
it
never
out,
known it was
there's-
6 people.
You're
Okay, now.
joking, I can't believe it. Yeah, there's 2 coming up.
Gas is closing in.
Right, let's
Yeah,
get
there's
to
2
the
in
top
that
of
one.
this hill then so we get a better view on them.
We're inside the zone. Keep your eyes open.
There was a shot of grenade there, like.
Me, I was trying to make them fucking tail.
I don't know
Window.
where you are now, lads.
Just come back, man.
My bad.
Yeah, you're not wrong, man.
Right, boys, let's get up to this building.
There, going in.
Right, there's no way we can fight 3 on fucking 6.
No,
Nah,
there's
we
no
won't.
we can fight these.
You okay? There's
Will
one on that big
will
building there. There's someone on green
Moving.
and blue ping.
Kev's
Just jumped
still
on. Yeah, we can't fight them, mate. There's a team of 2 in one building.
Let's
And a
just
team
give
of
it a go.
4 in the
Let's.
other one.
Guys,
Oh,
there's someone
where's
shooting
it?
over
Oh
here.
shit.
McDonald's waypoint core. Cancel that.
Ah! No!
Down one.
Taking fire!
Come on, pop your head out. Pushing up to you,
Somebody
lad.
behind them trees. Will work Kev's still.
Downed him. Broke camera on his mate.
There's only 2 of these, you know. These got to run over here and then
Down the other one.
Final deployment is making ready. Your window's closing fast.
Get out.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the
bit.
safe zone.
Where's he? Oh, he really doesn't want none of this.
Loadout drop on the
Guys, there's 2 down here. Got one of them.
Right, push down with Kev.
Guys, this
Oh,
one
he's there,
is
yeah.
below us here.
Contact!
Boys, I need
One from
armor
that
up,
house,
mate.
Stand
guys.
by for coordinates.
Guys, there's a couple down here, good position here, advantage point
Oh,
like.
there's someone red ping as well, but I was trying to tell you.
Patrol.
These are going to run off for you, lads. Here they are.
Over
Oh,
here.
shit. Yeah?
Guys, inside.
Losing ground. Over here. Hostile foot patrol.
Mate, they've still
Guys,
got to
there's
come up
loads
yet.
here. Guys, come down here, lads. There's loads
Wait,
here.
we can't just come.
Get to the safe
Stay
zone.
height.
I am at height.
I saw spotting coming down.
Oh, we need to move, boys.
Down dim in the room.
Moving.
He's going to leave them, Stu, he'll get him.
What? Boys, miles
Behind.
away, man. Have you got him?
There's someone
Nah.
in blue behind.
There's someone behind you, Kev. Kev, there's someone behind you. Oh, the climbing pyrotechnics are crap in here.
Fuck me, man.
Sorry, Stu, lad.
25 remaining. Nicely done.
Although I've got some decent kills from my stream anyway, do you know what I mean? It's not always a downside, is it?
Gas is closing in.
Yeah, I've got 9
Relocating
kills,
the safe
fucking
zone.
hell. Get up there, lad.
Oh shit, there's a full squad there, lad. Where are they?
Come on, you missed him.
Stand by for more guard last.
Oh, time,
Nice.
Kev. Oh.
So they're fighting with someone, Benji.
Try and get up the hill and go. Just leave them.
Nice.
Guns, yeah, he's behind this, guns.
Mark the target Gas location. moving in.
Lad, have you got any AR bullets?
Kev, there's someone looking straight at you to the left, man. You just move when you
Nah.
look at you.
Well, if he's
Windows
not there, he's
closing.
going to kill
Get
us.
to safety.
Wait. No, man, he was looking over to you. You could have got him. You looked at him straight away. He's
No,
in them
but
bushes
this-
to your left.
Yeah, there's 2 people there, yeah.
No, not there, man. To your left there.
Oh, we're going to... Guns are there, they're here.
Yeah, to your
There
left. That's
they
what I'm trying to say. And one of them's in that bush.
Oh,
I
this
was in that
bush.
bush.
No,
Guns,
it's
get
not.
up
come
height.
on here, guns. Guns, come on here.
Mate, I need some AR bullets. All I've got is sniper, do you know what I mean?
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
I've got I do, mate, I've got... Yeah, here goes the guns.
Where are you?
Located big
Yeah,
caliber.
and again. And it should go right down here.
No, there's
I
people
would just
to
stay
the
where
left.
you are, you know. There's someone above you. Near the bus. Near the bus on the right. Yeah, up there.
Losing ground.
Shot, Kev.
Mate,
Gas is going to fuck him up.
Kev is a fault.
Team
Is that
left.
full time of
That's what
first or on
10
the
to go.
left?
You can win this.
Guns, so,
Nice.
guns is next to you. Guns, yeah.
Four enemies remain. You know what to do.
Mate, Alex, you come down here.
Taking fire.
Oh shit, he's down me. Bastard. There.
Target spotted.
Mate. Mate, who was watching me then on them 2 executions?
Me.
Mate, that was
Both
sick.
Marking new safe zone.
Was he? Might have an ass, mate. That was definitely one for the stream, that.
One, Kev lad. Kev 12 kills. One, Kev son. 1 on 1. Oh! It's above you. Get it!
Yes! And we got the
13
Warzone.
kills, Kev, lad.
Big curve, big curve, big curve, big curve, big curve. I can't wait for clip those kills me and stick them on YouTube, let me tell you. I got it on screen, see, you knew what I was doing, didn't you? You knew I'd seen it on that beat, you knew I was sat there waiting it for. Boom! Where's Matt Bick? There's Stuart. Where's Big Kev? Big Kev, no, there's Matt, there's Big Kev next. No, that's it.